Hello YouTube, it's Blizzard. And I haven't driven my car since last Thursday, I think. As you can see, icicles hanging off it. Oh my god, it's horrible. Let's see if it'll start. Could shutters noise in there, maybe you could... Oh, please open. Oh, door's a bit frozen. Oh, and there's frozen snow on the windscreen. Lovely. Oh, Christ. At least it's not frozen on the inside like it usually is. Now, please start. Please. Please, please, please. Bingo! It started and the rev counter just stuck. There you go, -3 apparently according to my car. Let's see if the window is actually white. Jesus wept. About the rear window. Well, that's not working at all. Anyway, see you later.